At the forefront of technological innovation, Japan has stunned the world with a series of revolutionary advances in the field of transportation. From assistive robots that transform into scooters to foldable electric vehicles, brilliant minds in the land of the rising sun are redefining mobility. Engineers at the University of Tokyo and various advanced technology centers have come up with an impressive array of solutions that not only simplify urban transportation, but offer a futuristic vision of everyday life. With each new breakthrough, Japan continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, paving the way for a more efficient and innovative future in transportation. Stay tuned, because in today's video, we'll see all about it. But before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's get started. Engineers from the University of Tokyo and the Advanced Technology Center for Robotics have introduced an extraordinary form of transportation, an assistant robot that can transform into a small scooter or Segway. This innovative robot, named Kangaroo, is designed to follow its owner, carrying items such as groceries or other personal belongings. When the user feels tired, they can command the Kangaroo to transform, turning it into a convenient mobile vehicle. Kangaroo boasts a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per h. As a vehicle, it can autonomously navigate using maps and positioning systems, complemented by an environment recognition system. Additionally, it offers a manual mode where it functions like a traditional scooter, yet in emergencies, the robot takes control to prevent collisions. Currently, Kangaroo is still in the development phase, with no specific timeline for commercial availability. The creators envision a future where everyone has such an assistant robot, which can be summoned like a taxi, offering a comfortable and safe ride to various destinations. Innovative mobility platforms. The Japanese company Roidstech has unveiled a remarkable three-wheel mobility platform called the Raptor. This unique vehicle stands out with its two-part body design, the upper design unit and the lower base block, which can be separated or combined. Powered by a 48-volt battery, the Raptor can achieve a cruising speed of 30 kilometers per h and maintain continuous operation for up to 40 kilometers. Classified as a motor-assisted bicycle, it requires a driver's license. Roidstech believes the Raptor will catalyze new businesses and cultural shifts, bringing fundamental changes and growth to the mobility infrastructure. Toyota has positioned itself at the forefront of automotive innovation with the development of the Concept iWalk, a cutting-edge AI-powered vehicle designed specifically for pedestrian zones. This three-wheeled marvel integrates an advanced electric powertrain capable of propelling it up to 20 kilometers on a single charge. Resembling a futuristic hoverboard with enhanced stability thanks to its tri-wheel configuration and user-friendly joystick control, the Concept iWalk significantly lowers the barrier of entry for users of all ages and skill levels, including seniors. What sets the Concept iWalk apart is its adaptive design that expands as speed increases, adjusting the wheelbase dynamically to enhance stability and maneuverability. This innovative feature ensures a smooth and safe ride, even in crowded urban environments where obstacles are commonplace. Leveraging state-of-the-art AI technology, the vehicle autonomously navigates around impediments, providing a seamless user experience augmented by a spherical display interface atop the joystick. This interface allows intuitive interaction with the vehicle's AI systems, enabling users to effortlessly control navigation, settings, and more. Meanwhile, the Aili AI, crafted through a collaborative effort between renowned Japanese designer Mikiya Kobayashi, and Siki automotive specialists, and the esteemed wooden furniture manufacturer Kuroku, represents a fusion of tradition and modernity in personal mobility. This electric scooter combines an elegant aluminum frame with a supple wooden body, artfully concealing its mechanical components within the sleek design. Engineered for versatility, the ILY AI is equally at home indoors and outdoors, catering to diverse mobility needs with a maximum speed of 4 km/h, ideal for leisurely strolls or navigating confined spaces with ease. Designed with the elderly in mind, the ILY AI incorporates advanced safety features such as built-in sensors that promptly halt the scooter upon detecting obstacles, ensuring a secure and user-friendly experience. Its name, ILY AI, embodies its mission as an innovative lifestyle for you, promoting an active and intelligent approach to personal mobility solutions. Whether used for recreational outings or daily commutes, this innovative scooter embodies the seamless integration of technology and aesthetics, enhancing the quality of life for users across generations. I'll take a moment to remind you that if you're enjoying the video, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Now, let's continue. Reviving classic designs. Honda continues to showcase its diverse interests in transportation. In September, the company announced the release of the Honda Moto Compacto, a remake of the famous gas scooter from almost 40 years ago. The 2023 Moto Compacto features a maximum speed of 24 km/h, a range of up to 19 kilometers on a single charge, a weight of 18.7 kilograms, and a charging time of 3.5 hours. Controlled by a single button under the display, the scooter switches to the first speed mode, accelerating up to 16 km/h. Priced at $1,000, this model is intended for eye-catching trips to the store or leisurely rides in the park, rather than for cargo carrying or racing. Futuristic motorcycles. 6 years ago, Yamaha introduced the concept of the electric motorcycle Motoroid, reminiscent of a science fiction invention. Now, Yamaha has unveiled the second version of its futuristic Motoroid concept motorcycle. Equipped with a pivoting swing arm, AI-powered facial recognition, and self-balancing capabilities, the Motoroid 2 takes significant liberties in design, avoiding many traditional motorcycle mechanics. The rear part of the motorcycle can tilt independently of the front, and it lacks traditional handlebars. Designed to be self-balancing and potentially autonomous, it features an active center of gravity control system to avoid tipping over. The advanced AI module allows it to recognize faces, understand a multitude of commands, and learn during operation. Portable and inflatable solutions. The Will Model F, developed by the Japanese company Will Inc., is a foldable, lightweight power chair designed for easy transportation and enhanced mobility. Weighing around 24 kilograms without the battery and folding in less than 3 seconds, it is convenient for travel on planes, buses, and trains, as well as for storage in small spaces. Key features include a top speed of 6 km/h and a range of up to 20 kilometers on a single charge. It has a narrow turning radius of 30.7 inches, making it highly maneuverable in tight spaces, and it can handle inclines up to 10 degrees and obstacles up to 1.4 inches high. The Model F can be controlled via a smartphone application, allowing for remote driving and performance adjustments. It also offers customizable options, including adjustable arm widths and various color choices for arm covers. Wheelchairs with advanced technology. Honda has unveiled the Uni-One, a wheelchair equipped with special technologies to offer a mixed reality experience not only to people with disabilities, but also to a broader audience. This unique wheelchair ensures user safety by preventing tipping over, thanks to its self-balance technology. Users can control the Uni-One solely through body movements. Additionally, Honda has integrated the wheelchair with a mixed reality headset, allowing users to play games projected through the glasses while moving in the Uni-One. Designed for use both indoors and outdoors, The Uni One is suitable for large venues such as shopping malls and fairgrounds. Users can even enjoy a mixed reality experience, covering the sky and playing specially optimized racing games. Unique urban transportation solutions. The Japanese company Kawahara, in collaboration with Nama Labs at the University of Tokyo, has developed Poo, an innovative electric scooter offering a unique solution for urban transportation. Poo features an inflatable design, making it extremely lightweight and portable. Weighing only 5.5 kilograms when deflated, it is easy to carry. Made of thermoplastic polyurethane, it ensures a lightweight and durable construction. It inflates using a small pump in just a few minutes, providing a sturdy and stable platform for riding. When inflated, Poo is about 1 meter long, making it compact enough for convenient storage. It reaches a maximum speed of 15 kilometers per h, ideal for short city trips, with a range of about 20 kilometers on a single charge. A 2050W motor built into the front wheel provides the necessary power for movement. And that's it for today's video. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe by clicking the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this. We'll see you next time.